Guys, we have the it's a Tumi hole. So this is for men's. Yeah, I got it engraved initials. It's a 5 slim wallet. Just stay there, okay? Sit down. So this is still available for 9,995. You can also have initials for your hubby's name. And we have the engraved for this Tommy Tumi. This is a Tommy in black. So we have it engraved too in gold. It's nice. I also have this one. It's also engraved. I have the Mickey. So I still have one Mickey available to engrave. So I still have one available. This is nice. I have one available for the Mickey. So shoulder bag lang po siya. Ito na po yung maximum niya. Check natin. So, ito lang po yung maximum na shoulder bag mo. Nasa ganyan na po siya. Pero, pag meron kayong extra bags, actually, pwede nyo siyang lagyan. Pag meron kayong, like for example, itong Tommy, pwede nyo siya, pwede siyang ilagay dito. At pwede nyo siyang shoulder bag. Kung meron kayong Tommy na nabili. So, ang ganda niya. Pwede siyang gawing crossbody din. Kahit anong extra bags nyo. Maganda yung, so, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng extra strap kung gusto nyo siya i-crossbody. Pero, i-adjust nyo lang to, yung strap niya. Kung gusto nyo lang niya, you know, i-shoulder bag lang siya, this is available. Last piece na po siya. Pwede pa natin pa-engrave to. So, pwede nyo lagyan ng strap kung may extra strap kayo.